50 Action Verbs in English. Part 1. Brush, brush. We brush our teeth twice a day. We brush our teeth twice a day. Shop, shop. She shops for groceries on Sunday. She shops for groceries on Sunday. Wash, wash. They wash their hands regularly. They wash their hands regularly. Walk, walk. He walks to work every day. He walks to work every day. Run, run. He runs in the park for exercise. He runs in the park for exercise. Dance, dance. We love to dance at parties. We love to dance at parties. Cook, cook. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooks dinner every evening. Eat, eat. They eat lunch together. They eat lunch together. Drink, drink. She drinks coffee in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. Sing, sing. He sings in the choir. He sings in the choir. Read, read. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. Write, write. He writes letters to his friends. He writes letters to his friends. Paint, paint. She paints landscapes on weekends. She paints landscapes on weekends. Draw, draw. The child loves to draw animals. The child loves to draw animals. Study, study. They study for exams at the library. They study for exams at the library. Sleep, sleep. She sleeps for 8 hours each night. She sleeps for 8 hours each night. Jump, jump. The child jumps over the rope. The child jumps over the rope. Climb, climb. He climbs mountains for adventure. He climbs mountains for adventure. Swim, swim. They swim in the pool every afternoon. They swim in the pool every afternoon. Play, play. He plays soccer with his friends. He plays soccer with his friends. Listen, listen. He listens to music on his headphones. He listens to music on his headphones. Watch, watch. They watch movies every Friday night. They watch movies every Friday night. Laugh, laugh. The audience laughs at the comedian's jokes. The audience laughs at the comedian's jokes. Cry, cry. She cries during sad movies. She cries during sad movies. Talk, talk. He talks on the phone with his parents. He talks on the phone with his parents. Drive, drive. She drives to work every morning. She drives to work every morning. Cycle, cycle. He cycle through the park on weekends. He cycle through the park on weekends. Fly, fly. He flies to different cities for work. He flies to different cities for work. Build, build. They build sandcastles on the beach. They build sandcastles on the beach. Fix, fix. He fixes things around the house himself. He fixes things around the house himself. Carry, carry. She carries her groceries in reusable bags. She carries her groceries in reusable bags. Throw, throw. He throws the ball back and forth. He throws the ball back and forth. Catch, catch. He catches the ball during the game. He catches the ball during the game. Open, open. She opens the gift box. She opens the gift box. Close, close. He closes the door quietly. He closes the door quietly. Lift, lift. They lift weights at the gym. They lift weights at the gym. Pull, pull. He pulls the ball uphill. He pulls the ball uphill. Push, push. He pushes the button to ring the bell. He pushes the button to ring the bell. Sit, sit. They sat in the waiting room. They sat in the waiting room. Stand, stand. People stand in line at the bank. People stand in line at the bank. Kneel, kneel. Some people kneel while they eat. Some people kneel while they eat. Bow, bow. She bows down to greet her friend. She bows down to greet her friend. Stretch, stretch. He stretches before exercising. He stretches before exercising. Kick, kick. He kicks the ball into the goal. He kicks the ball into the goal. Punch, punch. She punches the punching bag at the gym. She punches the punching bag at the gym. Clap, clap. They clap their hands to the music. They clap their hands to the music. Whistle, whistle. She whistles as she cheers. She whistles as she cheers. Shout, shout. She shouts to get his attention. She shouts to get his attention. Whisper, whisper. They whisper secrets to each other. They whisper secrets to each other. Smile, smile. He smiles at everyone he meets. He smiles at everyone he meets. If you liked this video, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe to our channel.